everyone, welcome to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. So today I'm going to say the alphabet in Ekegusii so that you can be able to compare it with how it is said in English. Okay? Alright, let's go. It's A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, O, Pa, Ku, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Va, Wa, Sa, Ya, Za. Congratulations, you've now learned the alphabet, how it's said in Ekegusii. You are now going to sing together with me the alphabet song in Ekegusii. Let's go! A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, O, Pa, Ku, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Va, Wa, Sa, Ya, Za. Wono na manyire abacha inga kiende otere nainte. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share, subscribe, tag a friend, and also drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bye bye. See you in the next one.